morning, everybody. We're here at Iron Mountain. I'm here with my buddy Joe, and he's gonna come out and walk this hike with me today. We're here at the famous Iron Mountain. Trisha definitely remembers doing lots of times up this mountain and back. You can see it in the background up there. We got some low cover clouds today. Hopefully we got a clear view of the summit when we get up there. Wish us luck. Here we are. I didn't take a picture of the bigger water, but I'm taking a picture of this, or video of this, so. There's plenty of water out here. Maybe I'll remember to videotape the other water I see.
It puts it kind of at a ground perspective. Like it's what would the family dog see? Everybody likes to watch the videos that has the GoPro on the cat or the dog, right? Yeah. It's gonna be fun coming down.
I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's a little waterfall. You can hear it. You can hear it. It's a lot of water. And if you look above it, it's like, where's all this water coming from? Because there's no lake up there. It's just cistern water that's inside the rocks. It keeps pouring out. So here we are at the middle saddle, right before we finish the last mile and a half or so up to the peak of Iron Mountain. So, no, Joe, we're not there yet.
I thought we were there.
No, not yet. Pretty rocks, the sun's shining off them. I don't want to deal with people either.
Well, I didn't think I did, but then in my jobs I figured out I did want to.
I found out I like people that are like, you can see all the trail up there, the people zigzagging back and forth. That's pretty cool. We're going up there. Another half mile.
They might be. Well, isn't there an emergency helo pad on that flat? Maybe they're practicing coming on that emergency pad. Yeah, there's a hiker pad there. Time 1 hour, 30 minutes, 22 seconds, total distance 2.25 miles. That's the same place where the junction is? Trail junction is?
All right, we're pretty close to the top, so we're getting a view over, what are those towns that we're looking at? Rancho Bernardo and Poway. You can see the ocean on the other side of Black Mountain over there. See if I can zoom in a little bit for you folks. It'd have been cool to see that helicopter from here. It would have flown right underneath us.
I don't remember the name of it. That's on the way up lakeside.
There's San Diego and Point Loma. A lot better weather today. There's Scripps Poway Parkway going down into Poway. You can see the ocean out there. Pretty nice. Well, Joe and I made it up here. Now we're gonna take a break and head back down. Little bird. Well, we're going down, and there's the switchbacks going down. Look at the herd. It's a beautiful day, though. We definitely called it. All right, we did it. We're back down here at the parking lot. So how was it, Joe?
Oh, it was pretty good. The conversation could have been better, but you know.
Yeah, I lack those interpersonal skills of communication. You can just ask Trish.
It was fun. Good times.
All right, thanks, brother.
All right, see you later.